So here now, today I went on a little hike with island hikers. I wouldn't say a little hike, it was kind of long, but I hope you enjoy. So we start the trail. I might reach home any night. On this hike, the hike is split up into 4 parts. And the first part is the Guanapo trail. So this is the start of the Guanapo trail here. So I got cockroach snake here. First snake on the hike. Nah! I can't let he go. Cockroach. Cockroach or cutla. So as mentioned and will be mentioned again, this is the dos cockroach or cutla or cutlass. They are non-venomous, but I had to mute the audio because there was a lot of people talking, and this snake was found in the middle of the trail, so I quickly pick it up, film it, and then let it go. Right, this is the cockroach snake. Got him on the hike, I can't really stop moving. So yeah, I'm gonna let him go now. But it's non-venomous, related to the tigre and the yellow belly puff. Loves to eat birds and things. Tonka bean. But yeah, everything on this trail I had to grab and go. Gotta stop. Push so that the cocoa house. Yeah, and we heading this way. See the mountain there. Wow. Tell you, it's pace. Pace we move in it. Right. Come out of the bush on our trail here, well on our road. And second house, we see this one looking in more good condition. How you feeling? You good? Right. At this point in the hike, we are just going uphill for almost 2 hours now, and we haven't reached the top. So we are extremely exhausted. Look at nutmeg on this tree. They haven't opened yet. Finally reached the top. That was exhausting. That hill was treacherous. And reach a nice bridge here. Waterfall. I can't. Nice waterfall. Whew. Time to keep going. I found these two nutmegs on the ground. We're back in the forest. Back out of the bush, just come through out there, going down this trail to the village. And we in Brasso. Right. That was a few hours taking a break by the bar here in Brasso. We come from Guanapo side. If all didn't know, we come from Guanapo side. Straight to Lala into Brasso. Look who I bounced up.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Yeah, we need.
I'm heading out. You ready next up? All that is Karaili. I lost count of how much waterfalls I see for the day. Here we heading from Brasso to Paria. Plane flying over. We almost out in Paria. Well, we kind of in Paria, the hills on the side, on the northern part of the north coast. And we almost out there. Well, by the waterfall, and then we had to go to the sea. Right, here in the sea. Making. Ooh. Just saw a tattoo. Yeah, I just see the tattoo there. I almost get him on film, but he went in the hole. So we almost to the beach, right here in the beach. We almost there. And then from Paria Beach to Spring Bridge, Brasso Spring Bridge, Blanchishes. Yeah. So this is the Brasso trail, and this is the Paria waterfall trail. We're going out to the beach. Whew. That took a while. We're almost out there on the beach. Cannonball. They say you can use it for some medicinal purpose, but I don't know how it's used. It have a toxin in it, they say, but you could eat it, just don't eat too much. Right, we're coming out there on Paria. Get it. Get it. Get it, get it. Get it. Get it. Reach Paria. Look, a turtle nest. Turtle trail. And the nest. So we reach out Paria. I've seen a lot of turtle nests all over the place. Walking close to the water because it's easier to walk here, harder to walk further away from the water. Yeah, going to walk now from here to Spring Bridge. Oh gosh. Back in the bush. For those of you who don't know the Paria trail, Spring Bridge Paria trail, let's go like in the bush to the sea, in the bush to the sea, winding kind of, but bend out to the sea and come back. And it's pretty long. Last time I did this, I was taking a good time. I know it was 3 hours. I know you could do it in less. But yeah, from the beach, the back there, from the Spring Bridge to the beach, Yeah. Whew. Yeah. No, it will be a while till I reach the Spring Bridge. Yep. The next beach down there. Still on still on the trail, seeing these lemon drop mangosteen trees. At least I think it is. And there's like one there, one over there. Yeah, they're supposed to start flowering now, but they're yellow, they're rough, bumpy. A nice taste, alright taste. I've seen some young fruits on this one. Have hundreds of trees along this trail. Almost the entire length of the north coast, I've seen trees. Just had to know how to identify them. Yeah. A strangler's fig or matapel tree in the process of killing a sandbox tree. Yeah. Take a few years, almost must be 100 years before you successfully kill this sandbox. Let me watch where I go in. I'm about to fall. These trees are looking safe. But yeah. Now this is a guacano fruit. Now there's many different types of I can't recall the scientific name at the moment, but there's many different species of guacano, or they call it gummy bear fruit. But this they say is kind of edible. I don't know if this is the one that they say sweet, but yeah, this is the fruit. I want to try it. No, this is not tasty. This is terrible. Terrible fruit. This fruit is not tasty at all. It's bad. And it tastes like no gummy bear. Maybe this species don't taste so great, but so I have to try the other species and then. But bats and birds love to eat this. Ugh. They're just bland. Bland. Yeah. Right. Going down the Paria trail. Here by this stream I'm seeing some juvenile mountain mullets. These get way bigger than that. And then there's a beach right by that bend. We gotta continue the trail. Fill up some water in that stream. Heading out. The beach is down there. Got to keep on moving. Right. Straight way down to the beach. I say the trailers go out and in. Plenty. Alright, coming out to the narrow trail onto this beach here, across this little stream, and back onto the trail, but the trail is widening. The trail is widening and go back to Spring Break. Yeah. Reach the last leg there of the trip, of the hike. Ooh, Zabuka. Zabuka. But it's on people property, but yeah, we're coming out there by Spring Bridge just now. After that bend. Hey, some people. Yeah. Oh, I'm exhausted. Tired, hungry. But I eat real fruits on this trail. I find Portugal, Wadu, tonka bean, primrose. What else? Banana, cherries, black sap, the wild black sap potato, smaller than the big one. Yeah, I eat real thing. Oh, we reached Spring Bridge. From Guanapo to Lalaha to Paria, all the way to Spring Bridge.
was all good for it.
Even though this hike was long, tiring, exhausting, it was fun. I couldn't film all that we saw, like there was a lot of different type of fruits we saw. We also saw around 6 snakes, but only was able to film one, and we also saw agoutis, and a tattoo. But that's all we could have got. And then on our way back, night came and a tree fell on the North Coast Road, blocking us from leaving. So we had to chop our way through, clear the road, and continue our journey back home. Despite the fallen tree that keep us back a little bit, we truly had fun. Now, I know I don't show much hiking on this channel, more exploration and camping, but there's a little change of pace. So, as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master, and until next time, blessings and bless out.